Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to bring your Canva designs to life with simple animations. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 pixels for width and height. This sets your canvas to 300 by 300 pixels for the demo. Adjust the dimensions as needed before proceeding to the next step. Select elements here to view animations. For example, you can add this animation by dragging it to the desired element. Adjust settings as needed to customize the effect and preview the changes in real time within your project workspace. You can watch this video anytime you want. You can also add other emojis by clicking the emoji icon, then selecting your desired emoji to enhance your message or document quickly and visually. Search for the walking person icon in the toolbar. Click it to activate tracking mode. Once enabled, the system will detect and follow walking individuals in the video. Use this feature to analyze pedestrian movement or monitor activity. Adjust settings as needed for accuracy. This tool simplifies tracking and enhances your observation efficiency. Click the Add Image button to upload a file. You can choose a static image or select a GIF to enhance your project with animated content. Right-click the image, then drag it to the right to reposition it within the frame. Release the mouse button once the image is in the desired position. You can add more elements to your project. For example, select the desired item from the toolbar and drag it onto your workspace. Adjust its size and position as needed to fit your design. Continue adding elements to enhance your layout. A dialog box appears when you perform certain actions. It provides options or requests information to continue. Read the options carefully. Make selections as needed or enter required information. After completing your inputs, click the OK or Submit button to proceed. If you want to cancel, click the Cancel button to close the dialog box without changes. Click to add a text box, then type your desired message. Position the text where you want it to appear on the screen. Use the formatting options to adjust font, size, and color. This helps customize your content for better clarity and engagement. Add any additional text elements as needed. To change the font, select the text you want to modify. Then, go to the Font drop-down menu in the toolbar. Choose your desired font from the list to update the text style instantly. To decrease the text size, type 8 in the size field. You can also add animation by clicking the Animate button. This allows you to apply effects like fade, bounce, or zoom to your text. Experiment with different animations to enhance your presentation. Adjust the timing and style settings to suit your needs. Animations add visual interest and help emphasize important points effectively. Type your text as on a typewriter. Next, click Preview to see the animation. If you're satisfied with the result, click Share. Then select Download. To get the best video quality, set the resolution to maximum. This ensures you receive a high-quality MP4 file. Finally, click Download again to save your video. Your animation will be ready for use in presentations, social media, or other projects. This simple process helps you create and export professional animations quickly and easily. Repeat these steps anytime you want to produce more animated videos. Now you know how to animate in Canva. Smash that like button and subscribe for more creative tips.